Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In another tutorial I taught you how to make a sprite move using arrow keys. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a trail come behind the sprite when you move it using the arrow keys. First go to Events and take out a 1 green flag clicked block. Then go to Extensions and choose the extension Pen, which I already have here. So this is the Extensions button. Click on that and choose Pen. Then take the Set Pen Color to block and put it here. Then change the color to any color you like. I'm going to choose blue. Then take the Set Pen Size to block, put it here and choose any number. I'm going to choose 3. The bigger number you choose, the bigger the trail will be. Then take out a pen down block and put it here. Then take out a erase all block and put it here. Now there should be a trail behind your sprite when you move it using arrow keys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, write them down in the comments. Bye!